Financial market news from GoldClays. Bitcoin will be between $18,000 and $30,000 by the end of the year, says trader. Bitcoin, BTC, price has retreated in the last week after hitting a monthly high of $24,000. Thus, with the new drop, BTC is back trading at the $21,000 level. Bitcoin price. And, according to the trader known as Santino Crypto, Bitcoin is expected to stay in this price range until the end of the year. According to him, there is a tremendous equality in the markets between bulls and bears right now. The confrontation is maximum, he summarized. In his view, this situation will cause a long and boring lateralization phase. That is, a time when the price of Bitcoin will not go up or go down much. He projected that, at this stage, Bitcoin will move between $18,000 and $30,000 for 4 or 5 months. This will occur until the bullish force overcomes the bearish one. He stated that the increase will be slow, but believes that in 7 or 8 months it will occur. Early next year, we may see Bitcoin again at $50,000. And when he hits that number, the race to $100,000 could be quick. Ethereum's path to $2,000 is clear, analyst says. Ethereum price has done the unthinkable in the last 24 hours. According to analyst Akash Giramath, ETH has turned a major hurdle into a floor that could propel the price to a new high. All that is left for ETH to do now is maintain that momentum and overcome new obstacles, he said. According to the analyst, the price of Ether has been printing an important upward movement. However, this rally appears to have a lot more to offer to drive the price of Ethereum up. After a brief consolidation around $1,600, the Ethereum price triggered another surge. This surge not only retested the $1,700 hurdle, but also surpassed it. The merge is not yet priced, says Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum co-creator Vitalik Buterin considers the price of Ethereum, ETH, to be too low. Hence, he believes that the merge upgrade has not yet been priced in ETH. That is, the cryptocurrency still has room to rise. Buterin explained that the merge is one of the fundamental steps towards the arrival of Ethereum 2.0. Through the event, Ethereum will change from proof of work, POW, to proof of stake, POS. The merge is not yet reflected in the price of ETH. Not only in terms of the market, but also in psychological and narrative terms, he said. Bitcoin miners' balance hits 4-year high, Glassnode. Bitcoin balance in the hands of miners hit a new high and hit a 4-year high. According to the latest data from Glassnode, the numbers have surpassed 1,845,303 BTC. That is, almost 2 million bitcoins. This number shows the force miners can exert on the cryptocurrency price. From the Great Chinese Migration in 2021, to the current bear market, miners on the BTC network have faced many challenges. Among them, the change in profitability that made many miners sell their Bitcoin stands out. Polygon and Mercedes-Benz will develop a new blockchain platform. Polygon has announced a new partnership with automotive giant Mercedes-Benz to carry out the construction of a decentralized market platform called Eccentric. The new marketplace will allow companies and corporate users to manage, trade and exchange data in a decentralized and trusted environment for all users. Ryan Wyatt, CEO of Polygon, commented on Thursday, 28, that the agreement reached with Mercedes-Benz shows the wide adoption of the network by the main brands and its potential as one of the largest platforms in the ecosystem. Solana opens her own embassy in the US to teach about blockchain topics. The Solana team, SOL, announced the opening of a themed store in New York City, United States, to promote the company's ecosystem and the growth of Web3. The Solana Spaces space will function as an embassy and will be located in the Hudson Yards shopping mall. This initiative was launched in collaboration with the Solana Foundation, a non-profit organization dedicated to growing the network. Bitcoin falls but maintains resistance level. Polkadot records profit and encourages investors. The cryptocurrency market started August in the red, after spending a few days rallying. Currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum saw their growth slow after a weekend of blackout in trading as a result of fear of the next steps of the world economy. Except for Polkadot, cryptocurrencies have racked up aggressive declines. Among the main ones in the market, the drop reached 10%. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency by capitalization, fell by 2.6% in 24 hours. According to CoinGecko, the price of BTC was 119,844 Brazilian reals around 9 a.m. BTC continues to experience the $23,000 resistance level, which still offers investors hope for a quick recovery. Ethereum also saw a lighter decline, down 2.7% to BRL 8,596.43. According to experts, it is a sign that insecurity is momentary. The cryptocurrency market cap has dropped 2.6% to BRL 5.81 trillion in the last few hours. Company launches backpack to mine Bitcoin. CryptoFossil has already reported on Bitcoin mining with video cards, with old computers, and even with a Game Boy. But now something even more revolutionary has arrived. It is now possible to mine BTC using a backpack. The solution was developed by the company Brains and presented at Bitcoin Mining Disrupt 2022. The equipment consists of an ASIC miner, a power source, an internet connection, and a screen to monitor the activity status. With all this, the backpack weighs around 15 kilos. However, the backpack is not an efficient item for mining Bitcoin. After all, walking around with the equipment can damage the processing unit. Also, carrying a BTC miner on your back does not help the mining equipment itself. According to Brains, the backpack was just a marketing gimmick to show that Brains miners don't waste time. CoinFlex lays off significant part of the team to reduce costs by 60%. Aiming to cut operating costs, cryptocurrency exchange CoinFlex has announced the layoff of a significant part of its staff. Since stopping its customers' withdrawals at the end of June, the company has been trying to recover and still has to deal with a lawsuit involving Roger Ver, the creator of Bitcoin Cash, BHC, a hard fork of Bitcoin, BTC. In a post on its blog, CoinFlex stated that it wants to ensure in terms of costs that it has the chances of being a successful business that starts with being a leaner company in terms of people. This means that, unfortunately, we had to let go of a significant number of the CoinFlex team across all departments and regions. The personnel cuts and non-personnel costs we have made will reduce our cost base by approximately 50 to 60%, the company said. Also, according to the statement, CoinFlex will monitor costs to ensure it operates as efficiently as possible. In addition, the company has committed to scaling up as volumes return. The intent is to remain the right size for any entity considering a potential acquisition or partnership opportunity with CoinFlex, the statement reads. Bitcoin appreciates 17% and ends July with the best performance of the year. Bitcoin recorded a 16.8% appreciation in July, according to data from the CoinGlass platform, interrupting a sequence of 3 consecutive months of devaluations. As a result, the month of July saw the cryptocurrency's best performance in 2022. Despite the new interest rate hike in the United States, which reached the highest base rate since 2018, BTC reacted well during the month. In the last 2 weeks, the cryptocurrency has been above $23,000 or 120,000 Brazilian reals at the current price, registering appreciations for most of the month. Financial market news from GoldClays.